Hello, my name is Kazuki Miwa. I'd like to introduce our ELMO AV control system. Our system is we can connect to any number of devices and control in one panel. As you can see, this is a touch panel. We can easily change the devices, and we can control volume, switch on and off, and also our strong point is easy to customize for the customer use. So this system is good to use in a conference room, museum, and exhibition and showrooms, and also restaurants is a good place to install. So we can also connect to the PC, media players, Blu-ray, and document camera, and through switches we can control any devices. So if you have any inquiries, please contact to our website www.elmoeurope.com.